What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Time to talk tweaks. So for those who jailbreak their devices on both the Unc0ver and the Checkra1n for iOS 13 up to 13.5, those Cydia tweaks will be for you. So before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys if you can give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Okay, so let's go ahead right now to start talking about today's tweaks. And number one on my list will be the DualClock. This will be for your lock screen. If I want to go ahead right now and going into my lock screen, you guys can take a look that I have two different clocks right now here. This is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. If we go ahead right now and navigate to under the settings of that tweak, go ahead first of all and enable the tweak. And also we have one of the sections will be for each single clock that we have or we receive on the lock screen. We have the options here, so you can choose the position, which is the vertical here, and you can set it the way you like. And you have clock 1, you have clock 2, you can set it the way you like. You can choose the time zone from here. You have the data style, you have the label, and show the AM PM, which is the day and the night time here. If you want to toggle those, as I told you guys, if you want to break the 24 hours, it is available here. The same section or the other section, the second section will be the same thing. Once you're done, you have one more section if you want to show the seconds, if you want to, and also if you want to hide the face ID on your lock screen, you want to toggle and toggle that the way you like. And if you want to hide the charging indicator, if you want to, once you want to plug your device in a charge. So if you're done from all those configuration, you need to make sure, as I told you guys, to respring your device. And once you're done, let me just go ahead one more again and go into my lock screen here to show you guys the you have two different clocks right now, or two different time zone here in your lock screen, just like that. Once again, guys, if you guys looking to download this one will be called the DualClock. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and the other one will be called the VolumeStep13. This is going to be for your volume and how much you want your volume always. If you want to play your music, you want to listening for something, or you want, even if you want to watch a video, so how much your volume you want the way of listening for your music, watching any one of the videos. So this is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. If you go ahead right now and navigate to under the settings, the first thing, just go ahead, enable the tweak. Underneath that we have the slider, so you can adjust the way of the volume in your iPhone using that slider. So it's going to be up to you, starting from 0 up to 100%. This is what pretty much the tweak comes under the settings, just to adjust the way of the volume in your jailbroken device, just like that. So the way, if you want to use your volume, how much you want it, is going to be the way you like. As I told you guys, once you want to listen for your music or watching one of the video, so the audio is not going to be hurt you the way you like. Once again, this one will be called the VolumeStep13. Let's go ahead right now to move and talking about the other Cydia tweak, and let me go ahead and talking about the Checkra1n. Okay, so moving right now to under the settings to see what the tweak pretty much will be provide you with. And if you don't know what is the Checkra1n is all about, the Checkra1n is going to be bring the upcoming call, the incoming calls will be in different kind of style, and I'm about to show you guys in just a second here. But the first thing, when you want to enable the tweak, just go ahead first of all from the top here, enable the tweak, and we have more than section, the customize section, the call handling section, and we have another section. So let's go ahead first of all and jump to the customization here. So once you jump to that section here, let me show you first of all the style when you want to receive, or if you receive any kind of call, it will be just like that. Of course, once you download the tweak comes with different kind of style. I'm about to show you guys. So first thing, the adaptive style here, you guys can take a look at it. You can use this one here, you can use the customize. If you tap on customize, if you want to taste that, it will be just like that. And if we go ahead right now, just go back to adaptive here. So each single one comes with different kind of style. The second thing that I'm about to showing you guys, it is the style here. So you can choose this one, which is the first one. If you want to see how is that will be looks like, just go back, tap on taste here. So this is how it's gonna be the style for this one. Let me showing you guys the other one. This is how it's gonna be looks like. Tap on test. This is the other one, and the other one, let me showing you guys. Tap on this one, go back, tap on test. This is the other one, will be looks like this, comes from the top, and tap on test. This is the other style. It comes from the bottom, just like that. And let me showing you guys the other one here. Tap on test. This is how is the other one, and the last one, let me showing you guys how is it gonna be looks like. Tap on test, just like that. So this is some of the style comes with that tweak. And also we have another section if you want to bring that once you receive any kind of call. If you want the tweak notify you comes from the top or from the bottom, you can choose that from there. You have top, you have bottom, and then you can choose the animation from there. So you have more than one slide from the top, and we have a slide from the bottom, we have slide from the left, we have a slide from the right, and we have the expand here. So I choose slide from the top. In my opinion, it's going to be really beautiful. We have another section here. If you want the OLED style, you want to bring that, go ahead and toggle that section. And we have one single section, which is the last one, will be for the page dots here. If you want to enable unenable that, it's going to be up to you. So this is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. And as I told you guys, it is really nice and a beautiful tweak to have it in your jailbroken device for your incoming call. It will be change the whole thing. It's better than once you receive any kind of call, you want to watch something, you're listening for your music, and once you receive a call, you can't do anything about that. With that tweak, yes, you can. So once you receive any kind of call, comes from the top, just like that, you can watch everything, you play your game, something like that. This is how is the tweak will be provide you with. Anyway, guys, so if you like to download this one will be called the Scorpion. Moving right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and the other one is not a tweak, it is pretty much a theme will be changed, like some of the stuff in your iPhone, and the name for this one will be the Reva UI. This is gonna be change some of the stuff, the UI stuff in your iPhone, and I'm about to show you guys how is that will be looks like. But first of all, once you download the theme or the tweak, which is the Reva UI, you need to have one of the theming engine in your jailbroken device. If you have the iThemer, will be work right away. If you're running the snowboard just like me, after you download the snowboard, you need to have the snowboard UI extension in order to make that UI tweak after you install it will be working perfectly in your iPhone. So you need to remember that. So once you enable this one, of course, from the snowboard, let me show you guys, just go ahead and navigate to under the settings here and going to the snowboard here. And if we go, you need to make sure after you download the extension, go ahead and go to extension here, and you need to make sure that the UI, which is snowboard UI, enabled from here. Just go back here and you need to go to choose the theme. This is the Reva UI right now here. Go ahead and enable that. So let me show you guys right now what is that theme will be changed for you. Okay, so first of all, will be changed some of the stuff in your dial number here. So you guys can take a look right now here, the tab bottom here, and some of the things on the screen, on the call screen. And also will be change the messages style, and also the email style, the Safari browser. If you want to go into your Safari browser, will be different, and it wasn't like before. You guys can take a look even at the bottom here. You guys can see the tab here. You guys can see the the top here will be the refresh also. It will be just like that. And also we have the calendar will be different. We have the music. If you want to go into your music, let me show you guys right up on my music here. You guys can take a look that some of the stuff here at the bottom looks different. This is one of the things. And also we have on the lock screen will be different. So different if you still have one of the things, which is the camera and the flashlight here. Mine here, it looks different because I already download different kind of tweak, so it didn't show here. But it will be once you download that UI or Reva UI tweak, it will be different. And also one of the things which is will be for your keyboard. So if I want to launch my keyboard, you guys can take a look. We have here, scroll here, the mic here will be different. This is one of the things here. The App Store, if I want to go to my App Store here, App Store will be different here at the bottom. You can take a look at the top as well. And also we have the clock and also the photo section or the photo application that you have in your iPhone. This is some of the things that after you download the tweak will be changed the whole set for you. So as I show you guys, it is nice and a beautiful one to have it in your jailbroken device. Once again, this one will be called the Reva UI. Let's go ahead right now and navigate to Unc0ver because I want to show you guys one of the new widget that I found for you guys. So this one will be called the 7 days. If I tap on it right now here, this is how is this style will be looks like. This is gonna be for your home screen, lock screen, the way you like. It will giving you 7 days, the weather for your zone, for your city. It will be pop up and giving you some of the information. Of course, you need to have the both the X&HTML and the info, X and info as well, to giving you guys the temperature and the time and every single thing that comes with that widget. If we go ahead right now and navigate to the settings of that widget, so not that much stuff comes with that widget, but if you want to run the 24 hours 24 which is the first one, toggle that, and you have the pad here. If you want to toggle untoggle that, we have the text color. You can change the color of the text here. You can put anyone you would like to, and we have the icon set. This is some of the things that comes with that widget. If you change any one of these, you need to make sure at the top here, go ahead and tap on save, and this is the style, how it's going to be looks like. You can bring that to the bottom, keep it at the top just like that. And if you guys like to bring this one into your jailbroken device, this one will be called, this is a widget called the 7 days version 2. Anyway guys, this is the most tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, in today's update. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoy most the tweaks that I show you already. So if you guys like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.